So we have the new 280 that we just added to the railway line, CPR 1155, coming across the creek at the cusp into the yard. Pulling behind it, first car is actually a custom car, JB Rail. This was the car I built for Jim for his 65th birthday, and 65 years of pulling. Then we're into a number of CP Rail box cars, the standard CPR block, CPR spans the world, a CP tank car, and actually CNS custom built flat car. That's just incredible detail. And we wrap up with the caboose. So that's the first train coming through. So while we wait for the caboose to pass, I should introduce, again, this is in the Cusp and Spokane Railway G-scale circa 1906. Say my friend Jim Bon Temple was down for an op session today, and he brought a number of his modern era cars, and that's what we're going to run here for the next couple videos. Okay, our next video, we are at Grouse, which is at halfway up along the 2.5% grade coming out of the Cusp, and we're at the trestle just past Grouse. It's a curved trestle heading into the next room. So we have the 280 leading away. You hear it blowing its whistle as it approaches the trestle, and it's working hard at that 2.5% grade. Following it, we've got the flat car, that custom CNS flat car, gorgeous. Tank car, Canadian Pacific, then we got the Spans of the World, one of the best logos on CP. The CPR block lettering, and then the custom JB rail car, finally followed up by the caboose. And as you can hear the whistle in the other room blowing in the distance as the caboose clears the trestle. Anyway, it was great to have Jim here for the day.